Today, we present Thermo King Fault Code 35. The Alarm 35 in Thermo King equipment, designed for refrigeration and transportation, is a notification of alert, classified by this manufacturer, with the color red, indicating the need for immediate action regarding the operation of the refrigeration system. The fault code Alarm 35 Thermo King is caused by the lack of activation of the main relay, mostly due to irregularities in voltage in the charging and starting circuit that arise during the self-check carried out by the Thermo King system controller. The causes that can trigger Alarm 35 in a Thermo King system are as follows. 1. Issues related to the battery, such as defective cells or other internal problems. It is recommended to test the battery with a digital multimeter to evaluate its internal condition. Any anomalies, such as defective cells, should be addressed immediately. 2. Failures in the fuses protecting the circuits and components of the system. Inspect the common fuse connection in the Thermo King system. Perform a visual inspection to identify possible problems in the corresponding circuits, including relay checks. 3. Problems with the alternator, including its operation, wiring, and connections. The correct operation of the alternator should be verified to ensure an adequate power supply. Once the equipment is running, the battery voltage should increase, which is a sign of a well-functioning alternator. Place the multimeter in the voltage scale in direct current or DC. You can perform the following actions. A. Check the status of the alternator's excitation terminal. B. Verify the correct voltage output value to rule out issues with the alternator regulator or its generation. C. Check the connection status for the sensor circuit voltages. D. Verify belt tension and condition. E. Rule out blockages and strange noises. 4. Issues with electrical cables and connections, including grounding connections. 5. Software problems. These can occur in certain units, and may generate alarm codes 28 and 35. This is related to the interaction of Thermo King alternators with specific controllers. It is recommended to check if the software is up to date. This fault occurs when some models fail to complete the pre-trip test and trigger alarms 35 and 28. The issue arises because models with Thermo King alternators consume less amperage than systems with Australian Bosch alternators when testing the operating relay circuit, causing the software to record faults and generate the alarm.